Hi, and welcome to CMT 234, Cost Estimating and Planning. My name is Dr. Gerdo, and I will be your instructor for this online course. To tell you a little bit about myself, I'm originally from upstate New York, more like central New York, from Utica area. I went to school for 2 years at a state college, and I graduated with a 2-year degree in architecture. I then transferred to Norwich University, which is in Vermont, and I earned my bachelor's degree, and then I was interviewed for, and was selected to complete my master's at Norwich University, which was another year. After my master's degree, I moved to Delaware to work at an architecture firm, a local firm, and I worked there for several years until the economy got a little unstable in terms of architecture. A lot of projects were being put on hold, and my firm couldn't hold on to all of their employees. So I worked then part-time at the architecture firm, then eventually just had to find a new job, and I ended up working in teaching, which was one of the reasons why I ended up getting a master's degree in architecture, was that I always knew I wanted to teach. I taught for several years, and then I went back to school at Wilmington University for my doctoral degree, and that process was pretty competitive. We had to be interviewed and selected to gain entrance into the doctoral degree, and I was selected, and then I completed that degree in about 2 years. So now I am Dr. Gerdo. You can see a sample of my work if you'd like on my website, which is hgerdo.weebly.com. You can also use that website to schedule appointments with me. So the purpose of this video is to talk about a little bit about myself, tell you who I am, where my background is. It's mainly in architecture. I did a lot of construction administration in my architecture firm, which is very similar to construction management in terms of the paperwork and the things that you're going to see. Now let me tell you a little bit about this course. So all homework is going to be submitted through Blackboard, and I will release videos on how to solve the practice problems in the homework, and they're going to be released after the due date. So that means that no late work can be accepted. Because I'm going to release the video, you will have time to watch the video, and then if you submit your homework, I don't know if you watch the video to find the answer if you really tried to solve it on your own. So therefore, I can't take any late homework assignments. You really have to be on top of your homework. Homework points are going to add up quickly. So please submit all your assignments on time and show all of your work neatly. I prefer that you type your answers in Microsoft Excel, or I also prefer that you draw images for a lot of your work, and then you very neatly write out your homework. If you're someone who knows you don't have neat handwriting, please type it up in Word and Excel, something so I can read it. Because if I can't read it, I can't give you points. It's your responsibility to check the assignment schedule frequently to make sure that you're submitting homework on time. I suggest putting those dates in your Google Calendar so that it alerts you on your phone, and that you can stay on top of it, or printing out a schedule and then just simply checking off when you complete things. So that's just a little bit about me, a little bit about the course, and there's going to be another video that walks through the course layout. So welcome to the class, and I look forward to working with all of you.